Hello, my name is Brett Womack, and this is my reflection on the book Each Kindness. It is by Jacqueline Woodson. It is a Coretta Scott King Award book. Just a little summary of the story. It's about a new girl who comes to school. Her name is Maya. She doesn't know anybody. The principal escorts her down and kind of introduces her to the class. She doesn't know anybody, doesn't have any friends, and the only seat that's open in the class is next to Chloe. Chloe kind of moves her desk over, doesn't look at her, just kind of looks out the window, and already has her mind made up that she has her own friends, and she doesn't want to have any more friends. All the girls in the class kind of make assumptions based on the type of clothes she wears, and one of them kind of makes a comment that they give her a nickname that she has only hand-me-down clothes, and they kind of give her that nickname. Maya tries to bring toys from home. None of the girls want to play with her at recess, and she just kind of does her own thing every day. One day the teacher does a lesson on kindness and has each kid come up to the desk, and she drops a pebble in the water, and the ripples from the pebble reflects different kind things that people have done to show kindness. And so each kid drops a pebble in the water to show what kind things they've done throughout the week. Excuse me. So when it comes to Chloe's turn, she can't think of any kind thing to say, and she was waiting for Maya to come back to school so that she could show kindness to Maya, because Maya didn't have any friends, and that was the best way for her to show kindness. As the days go by, Maya doesn't return to school, and Chloe is upset because her friends didn't treat her the best, didn't include her in anything, and she wanted to show her kindness and never got the opportunity to do that because Maya changed schools at the end of the story. And so just something to take away for kids who are reading this book is to not wait until you have to show kindness for a class, but to go ahead and show kindness at the very beginning, welcoming kids to class, helping them make friends, doing the right thing in showing and welcoming new students to class. I know that's always hard for kids who come in who don't know anybody, but if kids can show kindness in the beginning instead of bullying from the get-go, I think it will change the learning aspect for a lot of kids. The activity that I have for this book is I would create a bingo sheet, and each square would be some sort of kind thing that I would have the kids do to others in the classroom if that square was chosen on their board. And so I think playing a game like that, getting kids to do kind things in class, outside of class, and kind of almost have a contest of who can do the most kind things would be really cool for kids to try and do and challenge themselves. So this is my recording on Each Kindness.